Art is where memories, emotions, and moments are expressed through concepts.
And at VM, we truly want to mirror the elegance of art in our signature style.
Hi, this is Isha,
Hi, I'm Mansi.
and we're the founders of Vanilla Miel.
A space where our three great loves culminate: dessert, art, and sisterhood. At Vanilla Miel, each pastry tells a story.
Inspired by the vibrant world around us.
As entrepreneurs, there's always a million places to be.
And while the hustle is real, Vespa gives us the freedom to live more as we do more.
Every once in a while, we get the opportunity to create works that inspire us to push the envelope and create something one of a kind. With its understated red gloss and beautiful curves, Vespa made the perfect inspiration for this Christmas dessert.
Let's go.